Welcome to our chicken coop. It's approximately 8 feet by 4 feet. Underneath, about 6 inches, there's chicken wire to prevent predators. There's the watering system. Our chickens are happy in there. Here's the latch that opens and closes thanks to a pulley system. There's our solar power light. Here is our nesting box. Inside there is space on either side. The chickens take turns, sometimes lying here or laying there. Here's the back door that opens easily for cleaning out. There's linoleum flooring, which makes it much easier to clean. The roost is installed using a simple closet rod kit. All the materials are from leftover projects or the Habitat for Humanity restore. Here's our owl to scare away the predators, and our feeding system made out of PVC. Our chickens are happy and love it here.